I'm going to be showing how to replace your bulbs in this taillight on my 92 F150 Flareside. I believe it's the same on just a regular style as well. If it's not, then I'll make another video about it. But this should be pretty easy. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and a 1/4 inch socket. So first I'm going to remove these two screws right here. Now we're going to need to lower our tailgate. And there are two more bolts on the inside that need to be removed that are 1/4 inch. So now we should be able to pull this housing out and get to our bulbs right here. And we should just be able to twist them and remove them from the housing. This top bulb just pulls out. It's a 3157. This bottom one is also a 3157. So now to put these back in the housing, all you have to do is line up the grooves with these and then twist it back in. Line back up. And then get our screws started. There we go. And I'm not going to tighten those ones down all the way yet, so I can wiggle this around to get these lined up. And I did notice on the other side here, which they're both the same, the whole process is the same, but these have Phillips screws as well. So I think these ones over here were probably replaced, and these have bigger washers. So I think originally all that you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. These might be known for breaking off, so looks like mine has been replaced with these. All right, so we're all done. Obviously, like I just said, I think all you're going to really need is a Phillips screwdriver, unless you've had some of these replaced because they broke off previously. But thanks for watching, and God bless.